In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Drive folder on your mobile phone. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Drive on your device. You can do this both on the application and your browser. Now make sure you're signed in to your Google account. So as you can see in here, once you long press or you click on the three dots beside a folder, you won't be able to find a download option. So to download a Google Drive folder, you won't be able to do it with the folder itself. What you can do is to click on the folder. Inside the folder, you'll be able to find all the files that you want to download. So just click on this select all button. After you select one file, to be able to select all the files that you want to download inside that folder, click on the three dots and click on the download button, and all the files will start downloading on your device. And that's how you can simply download a Google Drive folder on mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.